If you want to open an app in a pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy A17, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. We can open any app that you wish to open in the floating window, and then we're going to go to the background apps. We're going to tap on the app icon at the top of the preview, and over here we have open in pop-up view. And there we go. We can move it around, we can extend it, I believe. There we go. You can tap on this blue line at the top in order to choose one of these options. So for example, you can extend it back to the full screen. And another way to open an app in the pop-up view is by using a special gesture. So we can go to settings, over here open advanced features, and then we can go to the multi-window. And over here we have swipe for pop-up view. And this is how it looks like. When enabled, you can grab by the upper left or upper right corner, and then you can move towards the middle in order to open an app in the pop-up view like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.